as Flux Power leans from being a battery manufacturer to more of an energy management software provider. It posted its first ever profit, with net income of $600,000, or 3 cents per share, a sharp turnaround from expectations for a 7-cent loss. While revenue of $14.1 million missed the $15.55 million forecast and declined from $16.8 million a year ago, profitability and margin expansion keep supporters satisfied, as gross margin improved 610 basis points sequentially to 34.7%, reflecting better product mix and cost reductions. Adjusted EBITDA reached $1.5 million, reinforcing that the earnings inflection is tied to structural efficiency gains rather than one-time factors. However, liquidity remains tight, with cash at $900,000, down from $1.3 million, highlighting limited room for missteps. In the move towards becoming more of an energy management software provider, the rollout of next-generation Skylink telematics and AI software featuring intelligent alerts and premium tiers signals a push toward higher-margin, recurring revenue streams, with management believing customers could see 10 to 30% uptime improvements, strengthening the value proposition beyond hardware. For the upcoming quarter, a capital freeze at a significant customer is expected to materially reduce Q3 revenue, though management stressed this is isolated rather than industry-wide. Broader headwinds include tariffs, competitive pressure in lithium-ion batteries, and customer budget caution. So to maintain profitability, it will be necessary to replace the paused customer demand and expand software monetization while preserving margin gains. Then, in the long term, software adoption at scale combined with cost-cutting presents a path to a higher margin model. In the meantime, thin cash reserves and revenue concentration risk make the next 2 quarters critical to validating the turnaround. At the same time, energy storage systems are still a pillar of the business. Over the last year, Flux received its first purchase order from one of the largest U.S. suppliers of medical equipment and supplies, marking the beginning of that customer's transition from legacy power systems to lithium-ion technology. The order includes Flux's 36-volt M36 and L36 series battery packs with integrated telematics designed to power narrow-aisle and 3-wheel forklifts. Management characterized the agreement as a long-term conversion opportunity, positioning Flux to support a broader fleet migration over time as the customer advances its electrification and sustainability goals. Momentum in aviation ground support equipment, GSE, has been particularly strong. Over the past year, 6 new large North American airlines placed orders totaling more than $6 million, contributing to approximately $20 million in total GSE-related orders. These deployments span 7 airport locations and reflect a structural shift away from lead-acid and fossil fuel-powered equipment toward lithium-ion alternatives. The airline orders primarily include Flux's 80-volt G80 series battery systems integrated with its Sky EMS cloud-based telematics platform, enabling fleet optimization, predictive maintenance, and operational analytics. In addition to earlier airline wins, Flux secured a significant order valued at more than $2 million for 120 units of its redesigned G8420 battery packs. The modular architecture of the G8420 platform is engineered for high-intensity applications, such as baggage tractors and belt loaders, offering faster field service and reduced downtime. Another airline customer placed an order exceeding $1.2 million for G80 systems equipped with Sky EMS, while a top 10 North American carrier issued additional purchase orders totaling over $3.6 million to expand ongoing deployments. These repeat and expansion orders suggest airlines are scaling lithium-ion adoption across broader segments of their GSE fleets. Outside aviation, Flux continues to generate recurring industrial demand. It got approximately $2.4 million in new purchase orders from existing customers, including $1.4 million from a global food and beverage distribution company and $1 million from an industrial equipment manufacturer. Management emphasized that these are repeat orders, highlighting customer retention and increasing lithium-ion penetration within installed fleets. Flux's positioning at the intersection of electrification and data-enabled fleet management means its integrated hardware and software approach, particularly through the Sky EMS platform, is designed to differentiate the company from traditional battery suppliers by providing real-time diagnostics, predictive alerts, and energy optimization tools. Airlines and large industrial operators appear increasingly focused on uptime, lifecycle cost savings, and data transparency, on top of emissions reduction. Helping Flux gain more traction is its G-Series G96G2, a 96-volt lithium-ion battery system designed for heavy-duty airport GSE, such as electric tractors. The product was developed in collaboration with Averest Inc., its GSE sales and service partner, and underwent rigorous testing in Europe with a leading OEM before commercialization. A major airline has already placed the first order, with follow-on purchases expected. The G96G2 is engineered for higher voltage and extended runtime, addressing increasing airline demand for efficiency and sustainability. Key features include built-in heaters for cold environments, scalable power configurations, and an advanced battery management system. This system further helps meet demand from the aviation sector's electrification goals, while improving uptime and lowering total cost of ownership. Then, to refine its hardware and make that transition to more software-based recurring revenue, its proprietary Sky EMS platform integrates telematics, analytics, and AI-based features such as intelligent alerts, enabling predictive maintenance and performance optimization. In the future, other selling points to stand out from traditional energy storage businesses could come from multiple U.S. patents Flux was awarded. For example, its intelligent battery cycle life maximization algorithm is an AI-based system that dynamically optimizes charging behavior in real time based on usage patterns, extending battery lifespan and improving efficiency, as well as its predictive quantum balancing technology that manages cell-level charge distribution, identifying imbalanced trends and assigning customized discharge durations to maintain pack capacity, along with state of health (SOH) monitoring technology that uses predictive modeling and usage analytics, temperature, discharge depth, voltage, to estimate long-term battery performance and enable proactive maintenance. Together, these technologies enhance uptime, reduce maintenance costs, and improve safety by minimizing overheating and voltage imbalance risks. Regulatory-wise, Flux achieved UL/EE listing across its entire material handling battery portfolio, validating compliance with fire, electrical, and mechanical safety standards. Additionally, its 80 volts G80 G2 GSE solution received UL 1973 listing certification for mobile battery energy storage systems in aviation applications. These certifications strengthen credibility with enterprise customers and support broader market adoption. Now, as we wait to see how well Flux scales on the software and hardware side, remember to check out this simple, free guide that covers everything you need to know about buying gold and silver. Link in the description and pinned comment.